Hi guys. So I know a lot of people probably collect feathers. Some people are a little grossed out by feathers, but I'm not. I love them. I think they're just so beautiful. Doesn't matter what bird they come from. They're always really gorgeous. Look at this one. So thin, light brown. Black and white one. Little baby one. You probably can't see this on camera, but it's got little patches of green. But anyway, I always collect them, and I thought, because I'm getting a little bit of a pile here, and this is not all of them. This is the ones I've just put aside for crafting. The really beautiful ones, like I think I've got one from an owl or something. I keep those in my glass cabinet inside with all my other little trinkets because they're really beautiful. But anyway, I thought I would make some really simple tags because I'm putting together some bird theme packs, and I thought I would make a few tags to go in them. So all it is, you might have seen, I've done this with coins before a while back. I'll put a link down below if you haven't seen those. It was, more than a year and a half ago, probably, since I've made them. Oh no, I think I did some more recently as well. But anyway, all I use, the plastic is from, those big bags that you get blankets and doonas and quilts and that in. It's usually got a big zip on it and a little carry handle. It's really thick, sturdy plastic. And in Australia, you can't put that in your recycle bin. You can put it in a recycle bin down at your local supermarket for soft plastics, but I'm not sure if a lot of people realise. But yeah, it's not really recyclable in your household recycle bin. So I always save it and just make coin tags. And I did make myself a little tag for some things that I want to keep as mementos for myself. So something like, okay, this probably sounds gross and weird, but my blue tongue lizard that I used to have, when he was a little baby and he grew a little bit bigger, when he shed his first skin, I kept that, and like you'd keep baby's first tooth or something, but I kept that, and I flattened it out and put it in a tag like this for safekeeping, so it doesn't fall apart or anything. So I suppose you could do something like that for a reptile journal, but anyway, I digress. So sometimes I make myself little things just to keep little mementos in. But the feathers, I just thought they'd be a nice addition to bird-themed journals. And because I'm putting together a couple of bird-themed packs, I thought I'd pop in a feather as well. So all I do for the feathers, I'll just show you them first. Sorry, the glare makes it kind of hard to see, but I've kept it very simple. I've just basically stitched around 2 pieces of the blanket bag. Very simple, but you can make them more complicated if you want. Because I have quite a few, I might make some more later, but you could alcohol ink this to color it, and you can make them tag shape if you want. Put an eyelet, sew some fabric there to have a pull. You can put something in there as well. Lace or whatever. You can dress them up as much as you want. But I wanted to keep them very simple because, I don't know, I like them clean and clear and simple like that. But anyway, this is a beautiful green one. I don't know if it's off, it looks too big to be off one of our rainbow lorikeets, but I don't know, maybe it is, but it's a beautiful green. The back is like a brown. Although the only thing, when you sew these, if you're going to put them in journals, this one I've kind of put upside down. See how the stitching stops and starts up here? Because I always backstitch like back and forwards 1,000 times. I don't know. Yeah, maybe put it down in the little, bottom corner so it doesn't stand out if you put it in a pocket. But otherwise, I just think they're so cute. I've just used a very small zigzag stitch. So that's one of the green ones. I haven't made many. I just started and I just thought I'll show you what I'm up to. This one's definitely off one of our rainbow lorikeets. I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's green feathers along the edge there, and this is yellow. They're so pretty. This is a little baby. How cute is that? I don't know what bird this off, but it's tiny. It's so cute. I love it. Only this one, it didn't go back to its nice, neat feather shape. What I do, because, you know, hygiene issues, what I usually do, I snip the end off where it would have been attached to the bird. And I just cut that with the scissors, and I give it a spray of antibacterial spray. Something like, what I use is Glen 20. If you're in Australia, you'll know what that is, because it's got a really fine mist, and you can spray it, flip it over, spray the other side, and leave it to dry. And it usually dries keeping its shape, because, you know, when you wet a feather, it kind of sticks together. Goes a little bit like that. But if it does that, all you have to do is, if you've got a baby brush, a baby hairbrush, you know, the really soft, fine bristles, just comb it back, or brush it back, and it goes back to its normal feather shape. This one, I don't know how I missed that. But this one has a teeny tiny little blue along the edge there. So I'm not sure what that's off, but maybe a budgie, I'm not sure. But very cute. I love the little one. See, they're so beautiful. It's like perfect feather shape. There's another one with the green and yellow. And a bit of a bigger one. Anyway, so this is off a cockatoo. So pretty. Anyway, that's it. I just thought I would quickly show you those because I just think they're so gorgeous. I don't know, bird feathers, I know it grosses some people out. They think they're dirty and, you know, but I think if you give it a spray with some antibacterial spray, you'll be right. And look, that is so gorgeous. This one actually reminds me of a gum leaf. If you're an Aussie, you know what that is. Doesn't it look like a gum leaf? It's so gorgeous. It actually doesn't even look like a real feather. The top here is kind of a very light turquoise. So beautiful. Anyway, that's it. I thought I would pop on and quickly show you what I'm doing. And yeah, maybe give you some ideas to use them. I do have, where are they? No, not here. Oh, I had them inside. Maybe, no. Yeah, I do have some alcohol inks that I was just going to experiment, you know, colouring this plastic and see how they turn out. So I might do some of those later. I just want to finish putting these packs together because I started them last week and I've had them sitting here. And I'll show you if I do any more. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.